Welcome back, students. A warm welcome to all of you. So, as you know that today is our last class before the summer vacations, and in this class I am going to give you your summer vacation assignment. So this video is mentioning about all the things which you have to prepare for your chemistry summer vacation assignment. Okay. So in this particular video, I am going to discuss with you about what is your summer vacation assignment. So the summer assignment which I am going to give you is the preparation of an investigatory project on the structure of the atoms. Okay, you have to prepare an investigatory project on the structure of atoms. So how to prepare this particular assignment? So you have to use a file. Okay, a file which has been bought up in the stationaries. You can use it, and the pages in the files you have to take the file pages. Okay, the file pages which are found in the stationaries, and if it is not possible to find out the stationary file, that particular file pages, then you can use the A4 size pages. Okay, A4 size pages for making this assignment. And the first page of this particular assignment, will be like this. Okay, the first page of your assignment page will be like this. Here you have to mention the school name, as I am writing here, Jyoti English Medium Higher Secondary School, Charoda BMY. Okay, like this you can mention your school name. Then below that you have to either draw, or if you are taking the printout, then use the logo of our school here. Okay, then here you have to include the session, the present session is 2021-22. Okay, next here you have to give out the class. Okay, your section. Okay, your section, in which section you are, the class, such as your ninth class, so you have to mention your ninth class, your section A, B, C or D, either of the section you are having. Then here you have to mention your project or assignment. Okay, or assignment which I have given you the topic. So the topic I have mentioned in the first page only, you have to write that particular topic here. Then here in the right hand side at the below here, student's name must be there, student's name. And at the left hand side you can write out the teacher's name or guide name. Okay, teacher's name. So my name is Ishant Kumar. Okay, you can write my name here, Ishant Kumar, ISHANTKUMR, Ishant Kumar. Okay, and this is your first page. You have to make the first page like this only. If possible, then you can take out the printout also, and if not possible, then you can make this thing by your own hand also, by simple drawing. Okay, next, in the second page, what you have to do, you have to mention the index there. Okay, and in the index, two columns will be there. One will be the contents column and one will be the page number column. So in the contents column, you have to write down the different topics which you are going to mention here, such as first is the definition of atom, definition of atoms. Second is the after definition of atom, different theories of atoms. Okay, like this you have to mention. Then after that, first theory is Dalton's theory. Then comes the number for J.J. Thomson's model. Okay, so like this you have to mention each of the topic. Okay, then after that, Rutherford's model. Like this you have to mention all the models or all the things which are going to be right on the particular in your assignment. Okay, discovery of protons and neutrons, all these things you have to mention out there. Okay, and last is the Niels Bohr's model. Okay, so like this you have to mention in the content part. You are writing the topics which you are writing the topic, you have to mention it in the contents part, and here you have to write out the page number. On the particular page number, these particular things are present, such as definition of atom is present in the page number 1. then you have to mention your page number 1. The different theories of atom is present in the page number 2, then you have to mention your page number 2. Dalton's theory is been taken out in 2 pages, such as 3 and 4. You have to mention here 3 and 4. Like this, you have to mention out the page number here, and here you have to give out the content. So what are the different contents which you are going to include here? I am giving you the contents here. The contents which you have to briefly describe in your assignment are: first, you have to mention what are the atoms. In the first page or in the introduction part, you have to mention what are the atoms. Okay, the definition of the atoms, the introduction of atoms, all these things you have to mention out. Next, in the second page, you can mention the different theories which are given for the description of atoms. Okay, you have to mention the different theories which are given from the description of atoms. So you can take in this particular thing from very early ages, such as from the time of Aristotle, or in India, if you are taking, then from the time of Kanad. Okay, you have to mention all these things. Then up till the now, the present age, what are the descriptions which are made for the atoms? You have to include this thing in your different theories given for the description of atom. Here you have to mention only the single line things only. Okay, means what their gist was, what their proper gist for their particular theory which has been given out. Then after that, you have to mention the briefly about the Dalton's atomic theory. Okay, Dalton's atomic theory, its postulates, and all the things which are included in your Dalton's atomic theory. Then after that, you have to mention about the J.J. Thomson's atomic theory, or J.J. Thomson's atomic model. What was the J.J. Thomson's atomic model? How he has mentioned about the atoms there. Then after that, you have to mention about the Rutherford's experiment and model of atom there. Okay, what is the Rutherford's experiment? What he has included in its experiment, and how he has done that experiment, and after that, how he has proposed a model of atom there, and how he has discovered the electron. Okay, what was the observation of the Rutherford's experiment. Next, after this, you have to give a brief description about the discovery of protons and neutrons, which was done by Chadwick, James Chadwick, and Goldstein. Okay, so you can get all these things from your NCERT book, or either you can use the internet also for the all these things information. Okay, and after this, you have to take out the last atomic model, which is also known as the planetary atomic model. Planetary atomic model given by Neil Bohr. Okay, planetary atomic model given by the Neil Bohr. So you have to mention all these things in your assignment, and if any doubt is there, you can contact me for the further descriptions also. Okay, but you have to prepare your assignment in this format only. Okay, first page will be there. First page will be the introduction page, or the page in which you are giving here the school name, your name, class, section, all these things. Then in the second page, you have to mention out the index logo. Okay, index. And the third page will be your the page from where you are starting your main assignment. Okay, so in this, the introduction of the atom, then different theories which has been given in this particular time period. So, okay, and then the main, you have to briefly describe about the Dalton's atomic theory, then the J.J. Thomson's atomic model, then the Rutherford's experiment and how he has formed a model of atom, then the discovery of protons and neutrons, which is done by Chadwick and Goldstein, then the Neil Bohr's planetary model of atom. You have to mention all these things briefly. Okay, so this is your summer vacation assignment. Prepare this assignment and submit it when the school reopens, and a very uh, great summer vacation will be there. I am wishing this for you, and be safe and be at your home. So thank you.